Them a say a Alkaline go pick up Vybz Kartel in a G-Wagon when Vybz Kartel land in a Miami. I mean, I look into it and me a say, why every move where Vybz Kartel make, the people them blend in Alkaline name in it? Alkaline, your ears must have ring like a church bell to rotted because hear this now, people. Vybz Kartel land in a Miami and a G-Wagon go pick up Vybz Kartel. No, some of the people them a claim say because Alkaline have a G-Wagon will look like the G-Wagon will pick up Vybz Kartel. So they must say, Alkaline go pick up Vybz Kartel. I mean, I look into it and I say, oh, that. That's what I can go so. Alkaline go pick up Vybz Kartel at Miami Airport. No, sir. Anyway, I saw dance all go master. And at that, me hear them and say, out in the internet world, everywhere me turn in the internet there. People that say, Alkaline go pick up Vybz Kartel in a G-Wagon. Well, una make it sound like say, a one G-Wagon built and an Alkaline of it. Look at that, eh? But anyway, a dancehall business. Watch them, I say, this a Rasta man you can chat tea and this and that. Let me tell you something, me and the young people, them cool. Me and the young people, them cool. Me and them alright. Zane, me in a dancehall, and me and the young people, them can reason and talk and all them type of thing there. Yes, me and the young people, them alright, man. Yes, me a old boy now, but me and the young people, them cool. And that make me happy. If you know, say, me I show the young people them respect too. As an old boy. As an old man. You know, see it. But me I tell you, Alkaline, your ears must ring like church bell. Because every move where Vybz Kartel make, the people them blend your name in it. Because them I say, are you, Alkaline, go pick up Vybz Kartel down at the airport, down at Miami, in a G-Wagon. I show you go, sir, in a dance hall, people them no easy. Shocking Murray said that.